Defense emerges that it wasn't top mom Caylee Anthony who left her daughter there, her remains to be found skeletonized, half buried in the dirt. It was a coyote. That's the tip of the iceberg about what happened today in a Florida courtroom. We are live at the Orlando Orange County Courthouse, bringing you the latest at the end of the courthouse day in the trial of tot mom Caylee Anthony on trial for the alleged murder of her 2-year-old little girl, Caylee. Caylee's remains found just 15 houses from the Anthony home, half buried in weeds, vines, dirt. Recall Tropical Storm Faye came in after Caylee went missing. Experts say for the state that her body raised up with the water, then subsided down with sediment covering it. We are taking your calls live from outside the courthouse, straight out to Jane Casares, legal correspondent in session. To top it all off, we've got tot mom just a few feet away from a female inmate whose toddler boy drowns in the above-ground pool in the backyard. She can easily hear what this inmate is talking about. We've got that going on. Did tot mom copycat her story? And we've got the defense's own expert telling the jury that a coyote may have left Caylee's bones there that way. What happened, Jane?
Well, let's start with Dr. Jane Bach, botanist for the defense. She testified that it was the leaf litter in that area. That's right, leaf litter, she testified, was the reason. Her conclusion and her opinion is that the remains may have only been there for 2 months. So Jeff Ashton said, okay, do you realize that the hip bone of Caylee Anthony was 4 inches deep in the muck? And her response was, and I'm sure this can happen, she said that a dog can bury a bone or even a coyote. But as you said, Nancy, there are not coyotes in this part of Florida.
Unleash the lawyers. Joining us tonight, renowned attorney Raymond Giudice, defense attorney Atlanta, George Parnham, the famed defense attorney who represented Andrea Yates and many other high-profile defendants. Ray Giudice, you know what? Maybe it was a dingo dog or a Sasquatch or Bigfoot or a Martian. You know what? I really think, I see you laughing, but here's the deal. The defense can't laugh. They've done it now. They can't sit there and laugh in open court. What were they thinking?
Well,
a coyote did it?
What we're seeing is an entire team, not just Mr. Baez, their incompetency. These experts, and they don't have a lot to work with, the defense experts, but they are not prepared for their direct exam. The direct exams are sloppy. And as you know, a sloppy direct exam leads to an effective cross, and the prosecution has been eviscerating the defense experts.